A mask from the winner of Purulent Pimples.
I try the mask on my face, but you will try on hand before use because you may be allergic.
Do you suffer from acne? Never try to push it yourself. In the first step, consult a skin doctor. If you are not able to do this, get the mask that I made. Clean your face with lukewarm water before using the mask. Then apply the mask to your face away from the eye area. After 15 minutes, wash your face with lukewarm water. Necessary ingredients to prepare acne face mask: rosemary plant, turmeric, wheat flour, baking soda. Fill a container with water. Add the rosemary plant to the water. Then let it boil. Let it cool down. We need a container to separate the rosemary juice. Then pour baking soda into a container. Then I add turmeric and after that add wheat flour and mix. Now it is the turn of rosemary water. Now we mix all the ingredients. Before use, we apply a mask to warm it up, then we use it. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to our channel to see more videos.